Right guys, welcome back to the channel. I guess it's been some time before we brought you any content really to the YouTube.
Well, we have been absolutely flat out in the workshop.
It's crazy.
And lots of things going on behind the scenes here. So over the next month, some of that will be revealed as to what we've been up to. But we just thought we'd just quickly jump onto camera and give a little update of our
New edition,
yeah, to the company.
So quite something special, recent purchase for the showroom. Obviously we like to have all different cars in the showroom when we can, mix it up a little bit.
So we have the R8 Performance Parts Edition. Over the last couple of years we have been looking at the R8, and Tabby certainly wants to get an R8 and do some turbo conversions on it.
So you bought the only R8 I can't do a turbo.
I brought the only one that he couldn't do any work on and we wouldn't be allowed to even touch. There are 44 in the world, and there are only five
that came to the
UK, all in Misano Red.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Special edition colour, that was specific. So any Misano Red ones, right-hand drive and UK only.
Yep. So really what makes this special? Well, first of all, this car only has 47 miles on the clock.
This is showroom delivery mileage. You know, the car's what, 7 years old now, but it is brand new. It's crazy just how mint condition it is.
We know where 3 of the other cars are.
Yeah.
So this being the 4th, and 1 is in a private collection. This was in a private collection, and really, it's our awesome colours.
Yeah,
it's the
very
pinnacle,
isn't it?
Of supercar for us. Obviously, we've got our R6, the RS3. So to have the R8 on fleet is amazing. At this point, people behind the camera have asked me whether we're going to track it, and it's a no. It's here for our customers to come and view, something really special.
Something unique, something special, something different. It's a shame we can't drive it, but it's going to take away a lot from
the value of
the vehicle and you know what it is. So I think it's the lowest mileage. Probably
as far as I'm aware,
R8 in existence. Never mind
the
PPE, but it's got to be the lowest mileage R8 around.
So you might be asking, what makes this R8 different and special? Well, like we said, there is only 5 of this model in the UK.
Yeah.
And what does the Performance Parts Edition mean?
For engine wise, it is very similar.
It's exactly the same, 605 to 610 horsepower.
Exhaust, there are more titanium components on this than there is on the factory exhaust. The whole car in itself, I think it's about 100 kilograms in weight savings.
Yep, so this car really is all about the aerodynamics.
The aero and the weight.
The downforce the aero then gives to this car over the standard R8.
Yeah, so you've got, like I say, a bunch of aero parts, lots of carbon. You see the canards, the spoiler.
We've got the side skirts, so that's what comes with the PPE. So side skirts, the front splitter, the rear diffuser.
Yeah. The big wang on the back. The big what? The big wang.
Right, okay. So yes.
Audi Sport Spoiler.
Audi Sport Spoiler, yeah. So the swan neck, is it they call it?
Yeah, swan neck.
Swan neck, like that. So yes, it also has ceramic brakes.
Yeah, it's round brakes all round. It's different brake pads in this than you get in the conventional R8. Even with ceramics, the brake pads are different. Also, the suspension's different. So we've got freeway coilovers on this. So that's off the shelf, so to speak. But that's
the wheels. So the wheels are special, only available for this model.
Yeah,
and they're forged
lightweight alloy wheels.
Is it about 8 kilos?
About 8 kilos, on sprung weight on each corner. But I think as a whole, as I mentioned, might have mentioned a minute ago, was there's about 100 kilogram overall.
50 kilos at 90 miles an hour, and about 250 kilos of downforce at 200 miles an hour. So it's like we're not going to get to that level.
No.
So yeah, it's a nice addition. It definitely suits us as a company, and it's something special for our customers to come and see.
Right, guys, thanks for watching. It's a short and sweet video. We know we've been neglecting the channel a little bit from a YouTube point of view, but you know, we're going to attempt to fix that going forward. So yeah, like, subscribe,
Ding ding ding, press that ding dong.